Soybeans making some solid gains to start the week. AgDay's Michelle Rook joins us with more in Markets Now.
A mixed day on Monday in grain and livestock futures. John Payne is back with us. And John, let's talk about the grain complex. Soybeans had a nice up day. How much of that was short covering versus just this big rally we've been seeing in soybean oil?
Well, I think bean oil is the driver here, and not just the soybean sector. It's the edible oils in general. We saw canola up today. Rapeseed in Europe's been doing very well. Palm oil, although it's corrected, it's kind of coming back higher again. Which is all supportive for the soybean sector. And I hate to oversimplify it and say, hey, just look at oil. But I think if you say we're at 52-cent oil, 53-cent oil, I make the case we could be closer to $13 beans. If you're down here at, where we were at 44, I would say you're probably closer to 11. So that would be a big decider here as we move into the, more volatile time of the growing season. This next quarter is going to be, it's full of innuendo, it's full of emotion, and I think the market's getting ready for it here at the end of the quarter with folks covering shorts.
No doubt. And because we had some kind of quiet trade in corn and wheat, you mentioned end of the quarter, that was probably part of it, plus gearing up for the reports here on Thursday, right?
I think you're seeing folks try to kind of get gunpowder off to the side and either see how the report was or, probably buy some premium ahead of it. I think you'll see volatility costs go up. So as the week goes on, I would say you're going to pay more and more for options if you're going to do something short term. So you might as well do them when the direction is your way. But for me, no recommendations here. But my hedges would always be downside on corn. The intentions for the farmers here isn't always coming through with the USDA realities, and I think they're going to show acres closer to 92, 93, which would maybe eliminate with a bearish report, take us down into that. Low, mid to low fours again. And that's worst case scenario for me. I wouldn't be prepared for.
And cattle down on Monday with some triple digit losses working in the bearish cattle and feed report. Do you think we have to correct more though?
Watch beef here. If you're bullish, I think you look at the margin trade. Margins have opened up, are more, friendly now with live lower. And, you look at where, the speculators are, and they're really not fully in it. So I think if you want to be bullish, that's really your smoke. And, you look to try to buy breaks here, given the time of the year.
Thanks for joining us, John Payne. That is Markets Now. And for more market analysis, go to our Markets Now podcast.